Today I'm going to unbox a card reader, a SanDisk ImageMate All-in-one USB 3.0 reader and writer that promises speeds up to 500 megabytes per second. It will read several types of cards. We'll see this next. But before that, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. So let's start just seeing the box on the back. It says that reads memory stick cards, various types, MagicGate, SD cards like SDHC1, SDXC1, mini SD, mini HC, micro SD, and is compatible with Windows, Mac and Linux. So let's open the box. Let's take the box out. Let's push the plastic tray, and inside the box we have the card reader, a USB 3.0 cable and a stand. Let's take out the card reader. It's very light and white. Several slots for cards. Also a USB 3.0 cable that has USB 3.0 A and B to connect to the reader, and the stand. Nothing else. The stand is metal with a magnet and has more weight than the card reader. That's good because we can place here and it will stand on your table. Let's open the cable. This is USB 3 and will connect on the back. And you can have this on your table like this. Now let's see the slots for the cards. So we have memory stick, various types of memory stick, MagicGate, SD cards like SDHC, SDXC, Multimedia cards, compact flash and micro SD. I have several cards here. Let's test these cards. So I have a memory stick on the first slot like this, and other type of memory stick. So on the second we have SD cards. Here we have one SD card and insert like this. Also this slot can hold multimedia cards like this. So insert like this. That's good. Several types of cards. The third one is a compact flash slot. So insert like this. And final, you have a micro SD card like this and insert like this. So it's very versatile for various types of cards. That's good. This will work up to 500 megabytes per second of speeds of copying the cards, but this will depend on the class of your card. Because if you have like this, a class 6 card, you cannot get up to speeds of 500 megabytes or 5 gigabits. I will test this with a class 10 card, UHS U1 class, just to test the quick speeds with this. And later, for the next weeks, I will do an intense test and see really what speeds can we get with a V90 class card. Let's measure this. So this is very light and it will measure 12 centimeters by 4 centimeters by 1 centimeter. So it's very little and very light, and can read various types of cards. That is good. So now let's do a quick test with a card to see what types of speeds can we do with this. Now, to test the speeds of the card reader, I recorded the video. Let's insert the card on the reader. Now let's connect the cable on the USB 3 connection to the computer, and let's open the card on the computer. It recognized it. Now let's open the folder. Let's search for the video. We have two videos. The bigger one is 2 gigabytes. Let's check it. 2.07 gigabytes. Let's copy this file. Copy on the card, and let's paste on the computer and see the speeds. So we can see that we are copying between 80 and 85 megabytes per second. That is very good on this class speed of the card, but with higher classes of speeds of SD cards, maybe I could reach the promised 500 megabytes per second, because my projects are around 10 gigabytes, and with these speeds I could copy a project of 10 gigabytes in around 2 minutes. So far looks good. I will do an intense test for the next weeks, and I will post a review saying if it's good buying this, because this cost me $30, so that will depend of the speeds you'll need. I hope you like this video. Now subscribe to the channel, because I post new videos every week. Hit the like button, and if you have any comment, write in the comments below, because I read and answer to every comment.